Olamdine n'igwe mara mma, Olamdi n'ụwa mana nke dị n'igwe ka ya mma ee. Ọnwụnwa dịrọ ya, Olamdi n'ụwa mana nke dị n'igwe mara. Where is this one coming from? Nkai debiru ka nsi ama naja. Again, what happened? Are you all right?
Mama, don't mind him. I'm very sure it's coming from that birth center and they must have eaten all his money.
Begging.
Oh, Mama, you didn't know? Anytime you don't see him around, he's always there, betting.
Ada, leave my Kelly. Leave him alone. It was a queen.
Don't mind her. You're talking nonsense.
But, Mike, how many times have I asked you to go get a job? Eh?
Mama.
Really?
Do you know that the shop where I went to apply for a job belongs to Uncle Ugo? Sister Chinyere's boyfriend.
Ugo?
Wait. Eh? No, you're not telling me the truth, are you?
Mama, that's true. Mama, do you know that big supermarket after evening market before the cathedral?
Yes.
Bam.
The one on the right.
Bam.
Hey.
Mama, that big supermarket belongs to Ugo.
Are you serious?
Telling you.
Because where did he get all this money from?
When? How?
Mama, that's not even the problem.
What is the problem? Can you feel the problem?
Mama, the way he treated me today, I felt so embarrassed. Mama, I felt like the ground should open and swallow me. Mama, that man, he said I should not call him Uncle Ugo again. I should address him with sir. Mama, he said that if I should address him as Uncle Ugo again, that I will lose my job.
Ha! The job that you have not even started.
I'm telling my sister.
Hey!
Chelopa, this Ugo we are talking about, is it not the same Ugo that your sister helped before going abroad?
Mama,
She you this way?
That is him.
Nobody can be trusted. No one can trust this. Hey!
Mama, is there food? Because me, I'm very, very hungry. After this long walk.
There is food. I'm coming.
Leave me alone, Joe.
That guy denied it completely. That guy is such an unrepentant liar. Why?
I told you. You might be wrong. There's no way sister will send him money without letting us know. It's not possible. Mama was right.
Like this, I know what I'm saying. That guy is lying. That guy is lying. He's not saying the truth.
Anyway, we're about to find out. Let's wait for Mama to return. Come and sit down. You're just stressing yourself.
That guy thinks he's smart. He cannot fool me. He cannot. Hi.
My daughter, I understand absolutely. If you go, I'm your parents, and we expect you to tell us the truth. We have a reason for pressing for an answer. I'm a fine name. Give us the right answer, please. Mona.
Sister, a very important reason at that though. Stop laughing. This is not a laughing matter. Papa has something to tell you.
Mama, I'm here. Well, if you said that you've not been sending money to Ugo, then it means that what people have been saying and the rumors going around is true.
Ha. So, hey, they are saying that he used his mother for a money ritual. That's what the villagers are saying. Nabasile, expensive.
You're asking? No problem. Let me shock you. After Ugo finished the burial of his mother, refusing his uncles and distant relatives to be part of it by way of contributing financially, he became rich overnight. Ugo now has mega shops and supermarkets. He even built mansion in the outskirts of this village. Well, I don't want us to continue naming his assets and property. What I want you to know is bear it in mind as soon as you come back from overseas. Remove your mind from Ugo until we are certain how he made his money. That's what we're saying. Take this phone. Mother, they wait.
No. Chinyere. It's obvious you're not supportive. Okay?
That is how she behaves.
Okay.
When she finishes her own, she will do pay the phone. Every way there is a way.
You see? I told you Ugo wasn't collecting any money from sister, but you wouldn't listen. You need to learn to listen to me. You think I believe all the cook and bull stories she was telling Papa on the phone? Eh? Oh, wait. You think she was lying? She didn't just lie. She's trying to cover up for Ugo. Look, I don't know what you have against Ugo. I've given up. I don't know what that Ugo gave to you. Otaka Omaka. Inwego Mora.
Amaka? You're still looking sick. I told you to go to the hospital.
I'm fine. I'm even recovering.
Recovering?
Yeah.
Like this? You don't look good though. Are you pregnant? Huh?
No, I'm not.
You little children, what people will do these days is surprise somebody. You're sure nothing entered there?
Fine, stop.
Okay.
Fine.
You feel better, eh? Alright, so all this while you've been away from your business, how has the business been coping?
Don't worry, they're doing just fine.
Alright, if you say so.
Okay.
You're fine, eh?
I'm fine. Let me get your food.
Okay.
What is it to be? What?
Are you not tired?
Tired of what?
I'm not tired of this kind of life. I mean, we have a rich brother, which every young man at your age would love to have because of his wealth. Still, we are still suffering. Ebuka, I think we should go back to Uncle Go and Sister Maka to apologize to them. I don't understand this kind of life.
Obi, shame to you. Shame to you. What is wrong with you, Obi? What is wrong with you? Why do you like being unreasonable? Listen, we don't need to apologize to Brother Ugo for any reason. I believe his hands are not clean, and we do not want to be part of his wealth. You know?
Ebuka, how do you not know that his hands are not clean? Yes, because if his hands are clean, we should be hearing here Brother Ugo is suffering from one kind of sickness. But now his hands are clean. Do you know why I said it? Because every second he's gaining, he's progressing. So how do you now want me to believe that his hands are not clean? From my own understanding, from my own point of view. I
will use the shop and carry. I will use the shop. Don't worry. I will soon let you.
I will leave you and go back.
You don't have to go.
Ever since they left us to that mansion, we have been living
Shut
from
up!
hand to mouth.
Are we not coming from?
Shut up. Oh, see, if you tell me shut up, I'll tell you that I don't shut up. I grew up, and when I look at you, I grow up.
You're fighting. Kind of wire.
Ugochukwu, that is why we called here today.
I see. Well, your reason for being here is total bullshit. It's absolute nonsense. I don't owe you any explanation. It's not your business how I made money, so what are you disturbing me for? I mean, if...
Ugo, shut up.
I say, listen and listen good, Ugo. A child who bends over a short elder and gives him a knock will soon be the same child. The short elder will bend over his grave and pour sand into it. Eh?
So how is it my business? Huh? Short elder bend, another child bend. How does it concern me? What's my business with it? Huh? How I made my money is not your business. That's what you want. I'll tell you the source of my wealth. You go and scatter it. When I was in this village suffering, why didn't you ask for the source of my poverty? Now that I have money, you ask, don't disturb me. It is not your business. Don't tell me any nonsense, please. How I made money.
Let me just shock you now. Ugochukwu, you will swear before the oracle that you have no hand in your mother's mysterious death.
Yes. You're a madman.
You must swear.
Who are a madman?
I said you are a madman, both of you.
You must swear before the shrine.
Who are madman?
How am I sure you didn't even kill my mother? Yes, because you are very wicked. Very, very wicked.
Okay.
Sell land, let me treat my people, you refuse. You killed my mother, this man, you're telling me nonsense. Rubbish, I said it. Bad people. Get away.
On what? Are you not the one that sold his land? Are you not the one that sold his land? I ate money only.
Let me just tell you something. You are involved in the killing of that woman.
I reject knowing whom you are. I tell you.
You're not eating. What's wrong?
It's our brothers. I've been thinking about them for some time now, and I think you should invite them.
Invite them here to do what?
I don't know. They're still your brothers. I've even wondered how they feed.
How they feed is not my business. They'll be feeding somehow. I mean, I told them to come in with me, move in. They refused. I can't make their choices for them. They're adults, they choose for themselves.
Uncle, maybe they have changed their mind, but they just don't know how to approach you.
Why? I mean, it's not as if no one can approach me. I'm easily approachable. If they want to talk to me, they can come here. I gave them the address. They can always reach me. When you were there when I moved in here, I told them to come. They refused. They said they don't need my help. So what am I supposed to do now? Kneel down and beg those boys? Come on now. They can always reach me. Like I said before, they're my brothers. They will always be my brothers. I'm always there. Anytime they want to reach me, they can reach me. Eat your food, huh? Be happy.
Thank God it was a dream.
Stand there, my friend. Stand there. Why are you coming to work by this time? Huh?
I'm sorry.
Can't you see the time? Why are you late? Do you want to run down my business? Huh?
I'm sorry, sir.
Bros, how you doing? Welcome, man.
I'm sorry, sir. My mother has been sick for the past 3 days now.
How does that concern me? Your mother has been sick. My own mother is dead. So what do you want me to do? If your mother is sick or your mother decides to die, how does that affect me? Why are you running down my business, my friend?
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. Sir,
Again.
I haven't had my salary for the past 6 months now. I was hoping if you could give me any amount so I can take my mother to the hospital. Please, sir.
I should give you any amount to take your mother to the hospital. Huh? From where? I'm asking you now.
Sir, my mother have not had any medication since the last one we bought finished.
You're very stupid boy. Get up, man. Get up! You're a very stupid boy. For the past 6 months, we've not been making money. Are you aware? You know? For the past... Oh, you know. So where am I supposed to get money from? If your mother is sick or your mother is dying, how does it concern me? My friend, go in there and go and walk. Go and walk, my friend. Tell your mother that we have up the space for cleaner. She can come and do cleaner and make some money to take care of herself. Hey! What's wrong with you? said you want to finally come and meet me here.
I'm sorry for not coming all this while.
It's okay. Now that you're here, it's fine. Do you want anything?
Of course, I'm hungry. Come and take me to somewhere good.
While I'm here? Hey, you're going to eat now. Anything you want is you eat.
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
You are an idiot. You are an idiot. Do you know?
Sorry.
You're a very stupid boy. Accept it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I just got a distress call right now that my mother has been rushed to the hospital. Can I go and see her?
You are fired. So you can now go and take care of your mother. Perpetually. You are fired. Go. Go. I said go. Of all the times to burden on me is now. Get out, my friend. You are fired. Go.
I'm sorry, sir.
Go. Go now, this boy. You are fired. Go and take care of your mother.
Please, sir.
Waka.
My salary, sir.
Where?
It's you.
Have you been able to raise anything?
No. And Mama's health is becoming worse day by day. There's no money for her treatment.
Have you told your boss about how bad Mama's health is? It might help, who knows?
Yes, I did.
So what did he say?
He sacked me.
Sacked? He did what?
Ugo sacked me without paying me my 7-month salary. He sacked me without giving me a dime. Not even a penny. You don't know what to do now. I'm just lying down here. And they refused to attend to her because of money. And the worst is that Sister Chinere has refused to call.
So she has not called you now?
She hasn't.
What are you people doing here? Huh? When you should be with your mother, how is she?
Mama's situation is getting worse.
Eh?
This situation is bad.
Getting worse? Let's go.
But there is no money. They refused to attend to her because of money.
Me too. Can't you just take it easy?
Why would you go hate us this much? After everything Sister Chinere did for me before we traveled. Why?
What has he done this time? Oh, he sacked you. I remember.
That's not it.
It's not it, so what else?
Brother Go has another girlfriend.
What?
And by the way they are going about it, I think they will get married soon.
Oh my God. Oh my God. That's why I don't trust them.
My daughter, we intended for the meeting to be for you and your siblings. But your brother Ugo has refused to honor our invitation. That's why we invited you.
Ichiogezu, please go straight to the point. This young lady here doesn't have all the day. Biko.
Amaka, we are bothered about your two brothers, Obi and Ebuka. The other day, we met Obi packing block, loading block to someone. The other day, I saw Ebuka loading bus in a motor park, while their senior brother has the money to help them. What is happening?
Uncle, did you ask them what the problem was? Because if you did, they would have told you that my brother and I have begged them to move into our new house with us, but they refused.
Refused?
They refused?
They refused.
Imagine, it's not refused.
Of course, they refused.
What happened?
I don't know. I don't know. You have to ask them by yourself.
Well, okay. In that case, Ichiogezu, the ball is now in your court. Biko, ke kwa onye bụ mmiri mgbe ọ dị n'ogbe ọkpa tufu o ruo ikpe maka na ha ama.
Ichie, dam Cameroon emeghe ego.
I know that dam Cameroon have opened. Mana gbaa mbọ ka iwepụ aka enwe n'ofe. Aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọ aka mmadụ mmiri ruo n'ikpere ọkụ okuku ka ya ekuye o.
Nke aka abụghị ikpere. Anyị akwụ ya akwụ.
Ichiogezu.
Excuse us. Sorry. Wait here. Your face looks familiar.
Yes.
So what happened? Are you from this village?
Yes, of course. We are from this
But we
village.
have lived almost our whole lives in Onitsha, working for a man that has fleet of shops. So I used to manage the painting, and my brother does the cement. Yes, and when our mother died, I wanted to come back for her burial, but the man refused. So we had to forfeit our jobs.
You forfeited your jobs because of your mother's burial?
Yes, we had to. We had to pay last respect to our mother.
So why is he being so mean? Like, for me, I'm looking for money to pay for my mother's treatment in the hospital.
Wait, sorry. Are you Chinyere's brother? I mean Michael.
Yes, that's me. Like, how did you know my name?
I said it. I said it. How can you just forget our faces like that now? It's me, Ebuka, and my brother Obi. We used to be very close friends back in the days.
Wow. Ebuka,
Obi.
I know them. Like, what happened? What happened to you two? Like, we used to know each other back a long time ago. What happened?
Wow. Yes, sir. It's true. You know, we're staying with one of our uncles long before our father died. And we stayed until he introduced us to the man that took us in. And we began to work under him. Then I decided to send us away just a year of our settlement.
People have really suffered though.
Anyway.
Even me, I'm looking for money to pay for my mother's treatment. That's why I joined this menial job with this my friend here. And see what they paid me. Well, just 1,000 naira.
My brother, don't forget about that. So, where is your mother?
She has been sick for a very long time now. She's in the hospital.
What?
Yes.
Sick?
Very, very sick. You want to go and see her?
Yes, we would like to see her.
Okay, now let's go now. Nice to meet you. My friend, Nameka. No, just in. How much do you pay?
Oh. Whoa. All right, here we are. Welcome to my home. You like it?
Wow, you have a lovely place here.
Thank you.
How come you've been staying all alone in this mansion? Anyways, I am sure it was good while it lasted. I am here. Tell all your girlfriends to stay here.
How are you? How are you?
Fine.
Good.
Yeah.
Sister, and you are?
Oh, I'm his girlfriend. Felicia is the name.
All right, let me show you to your room. Huh?
Are you sure she is your sister?
Come on, enter room now.
Okay.
What's wrong? Huh? What was that about? Why'd you embarrass my guest like that? She tried to shake you and you ignored her. Why? I'm talking to you. Did you smoke something?
But are you even listening to what I'm saying?
You've not said anything. I've been the one talking. You're asking me if I'm listening.
Brother, what is wrong with you? What has come over you? You just have 1 year for Chinyere to come back. And you are inviting another person, another woman into this house. That innocent girl left this village because of you. But that's just 1 year. What is it? You're just trying to complicate everything, complicate Sisu.
I don't understand. What am I complicating? Explain to me.
I don't know. I'm sorry. It's fine. It's fine.
Talk now, let me understand you.
Brother, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what to say right now. Just do you. It's fine. It's fine.
Oh yeah, sorry. Sorry, you've always been on my side. I love you now. You're my sister. Just that a man has to be a man. Sometimes a man's body will just be doing like this. You have to, do something now.
Brother, this is none of my business. Your brothers are doing menial jobs and they're the talk of the village right now. Please, you rather bother about your brothers and wait for Chinere to come back than all this.
Ibuka, I'll be all you go. Come back your things. You're going to my house.
What do you want here? What do you want here? What do you want?
Did I just hear you say house? Does this place look like bush in your eyes?
In other words, you want us to pack and follow you. Akwaya? Mr. Man, leave this compound.
You are making me laugh. If you push me, If you push me, I will forget that evil are my brothers. What I'll do to you, you will not like it, believe me. In my father's house, my own house, you're saying I should leave. Did you smoke? Pack your things, let's go to my mansion.
Oga, leave this house. Carry your ritual money and your bloody car and get out of this compound right this minute. You killed Mama just because you want to be rich and satisfy your human and devilish conscience. Leave this compound right this minute. Leave!
Honey, what is going on here?
If I hear your voice here, I will slap you, don't be silly, and send you to FNC hospital for plastic surgery. Get out! Both of you. Leave. I said leave. Carry your honey and leave. You want to be big man overnight. You don't want to go. I am waiting for your phone. Let's go and pack.
No, without food.
Let's go and pack inside.
I'll forget that we are brothers. I'll deal with these boys.
I don't know why they are shouting.
Oh yeah, both of you, get out.
Shut up, what?
Carry your honey and leave! Out of this compound.
Ebuka, what are you doing?
Don't bother yourself. You don't want to go. Get out! Get out!
Ebuka!
Let's go. You don't want to go.
Well, Ebuka, Obi, your actions was to an extreme. People should have poured water on them now. Even his innocent girls that did nothing to you people.
Listen, Michael, none of those two people are innocent. Ugo is a murderer, and his so-called honey is a gold digger. Michael, just go that road for now. Just forget about them.
Michael, that reminds me. How is she?
My mother?
Yes.
She's fast recovering. The doctor said that she'll be discharged tomorrow next.
Wow.
And she wants to see you both.
Oh, that's a great news. Obi? Hope you have money that you
Obi, let's go. We should come, let's leave this place. Obi, let's go.
What is it? Like them, let's go, Biko. Where they feel what?
should also be with him.
Can you imagine the kind of man I want to get married to? Bunch of nobodies gave me the embarrassment of my life and you could not do anything. Ugo, is this how you will?
Felicia, can you just shut up?
Oh, don't tell me to shut up! Do not try it, else I will lose it! Don't tell me to shut up! You disgust me! You allowed those idiots to give me a cold bath and you could not do anything. Listen, if you ever defend any woman in your life, Ugo, God will punish you.
Enough.
God will punish you!
I said enough! Enough, please. One more word from you, you won't like what I'll do to you. Enough!
You're not man enough. Cynthia, honestly, I am telling you the truth. I have never been this embarrassed in my entire life. What kind of a man could not stand to protect his woman outside? Ugochukwu is nobody. He is nothing but a useless feminine goat. He is not supposed to be wearing trousers, honestly. He is meant to be wearing skirts, tying wrappers, because he is useless. He disgusts me. I regret ever going to that his useless house with him. I'm telling you. Babe, I beg. I'm not in the right frame of mind right now. Please, let me talk to you later.
I told you, right?
You said what?
I told you, didn't I?
Oh. You're always dramatic when you want to make a point. You told me what? Speak now.
You have to send that fee you call a girlfriend wherever you brought her from.
You started, oh. You have started. You're going to get me angry. What does that mean?
I don't know what happened, where you both went to, but she was busy reporting you to her friends through voice call, calling you all sorts of names, degrading you.
She did that.
Yes, she did.
Are you sure?
Of course. Mama, Ugo has completely changed. He now lives in a mansion with his sister Amaka.
I am sure none of you know this part. That Ugo has been living with a woman.
You know, the day he sacked Michael and refused to pay his accumulated debt, I knew immediately that something was wrong somewhere. Man, Ima, the one that pains me the most is that for 4 months now, we've not heard from your sister. I don't I'm worried because she has never stayed this long without calling.
Good afternoon.
Good boy, so. Oh my God, come, you go and get them something. Okay, sit.
Okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. I hope you're fully recovered now.
I'm doing well now. Mani Baziaka, you didn't even come with anything knowing that I'm sick.
Okay, I told him on time.
And he refused. But you would have brought it yourself. Eh? You may cheer no. But that's okay. Since you didn't bring cola, we will give you.
Even Emeka, I remember when I categorically begged Chinyere. I appealed to her not to forget us. Now look at what is happening. We had to sell the only land we had to send this girl to overseas. She went there and abandoned her family.
This is the 7th month of the year, and we still haven't heard from her. Now, are you sure that nothing is wrong with my daughter?
Nothing is wrong with Chinyere. She's just lost in the crowd. She has allowed the fury of the white man's land to turn her attention away from home.
Well, the thing is, if she has refused to get in touch with us, then maybe we should reach out to Ugo. I'm sure she will never turn her back on Ugo. It might have some news for us.
You're right. In that case, I will see Ugo tomorrow.
Okay.
You're right. Not that we have a way of communicating with that boy. You have a
Oh, yeah, Tony. Regular chapel, your name is Come and Nigga Donated. Call down a pen now for
Baba, people are here enjoying yourself. Why someone is out there painting the whole village red?
I'm sure you want to talk about Ugo.
Baba, how did you know?
I saw it, my son. After the day he was given a title, His madness ascended to high heaven.
They gave him a title.
Yes, one. Yeah, ayo. And the most crazy part of it is that these villagers have now turned and start singing his praise. They are singing his praise, he's throwing money. Onye boy Otubali go one. Who know anything? Eh? Also, my cousin. He went there to dive those monies flying on air. Who must have wait alone careful for where? Yeah, as we speak, also gonna is at the orthopedic there.
So his leg has been colorized.
I'm thinking of Happy Korea. Careful.
He goes about flaunting his new wife to the villagers. Eh?
You can't care about flaunting new wife. It's not true.
It's not true.
It's not true.
If you could, wake up. Ijoma, wake up.
It's a new wife.
Mama, his new wife to the whole villagers.
She don't even understand what I am saying. If you see how the money is moving on there, we're still talking about wife and the money.
Don't argue it, though. Don't argue, Mama.
I saw it. That's it. Also, is at the orthopedic.
Excuse me.
Are you talking to me?
Are you okay? How many are we here?
You don't talk to me in such manner. Don't be silly. Listen, I don't tolerate rubbish.
Neither do I. You know, every single day in this house, all you do, you cook, you eat, you fry, you eat. Tell me, is there any law that says that I have to wash the dishes after you are done using them?
Let me ask you a question. What exactly is your duty in this house?
Are you talking to me?
Of course I am talking to you, or have you gone deaf? What exactly is your duty in my husband's house? Now listen. If you do not want to be thrown into the streets, this should be your first and last time of questioning me instead of doing what you are supposed to do in this house. The next time you try it, believe you me, you and the dirty things you call belongings will be thrown out.
Excuse me. Are you okay? Are you crazy?
Hello. I'm not fine. I'm not fine. Your sister wants to kill me. Oh. Your sister, in fact, she has killed me. Where are you? You need to start coming home. Oh. Come home, your sister has killed me. I did not do anything to her. I was on my own and she came and started fighting me. I did not do anything. She broke my right hand. I can't even move my right hand. I can't do anything with it. It's burning me. Okay. Okay.
Where's that girl? Amaka! Amaka! Eh? Why would you fight my girlfriend? What's wrong with you? You see the injury that she sustained? See, next time you try that kind of rubbish, I'll forget that you're my sister and I'll deal with you.
Did you even ask her what she did to me?
Whatever she did!
Anyways, I don't blame your boss.
Are you talking to me? Eh? In my house? Are you talking to me? Eh?
Brother,
say you're sorry. Say you're sorry.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't know what is wrong with you. How dare you? In my own house, you're telling me you don't blame me. When you build your own house and you invite me, if I come there, you can talk nonsense. Try that nonsense again.
In my compound, you must be missing one.
Mama, I came to see you.
You came to see me? To see me? Why?
I heard you're not feeling well. So
Oh.
I visited.
So you came to find out if I'm dead?
How can you say that? I came to see you.
How can I say that? My son worked for you for 7 good months. You didn't pay him a dime. Even when he came to tell you that I was sick in the hospital and he needed the money for my hospital bill, you chased him away. Eh? I mean, look at you. After what Chinyere did for you before she left. What are we even talking about? Eh? 4 good years. 4 good years my daughter has been gone and we never laid an eye on you. Now you're here. Ibezebi Imagini. Eh? I hope your conscience is judging you. I hope so.
Mama, it's not like that. I've been very busy. Yes, that's why you've not seen me all this while. I've been very busy trying to make ends meet. It's not easy.
Ugochukwu, you know what? I think you should leave my compound. You are not accepted. Are you hearing me? But I know one thing for sure. Whoever Chinyere is, whether dead or alive, would have been seeing you at 2 o'clock. Now take your 305 flying center and the 2 division out of my compound because of thunder. Makatonda, Ibabu Madu here. Makatonda.
Umbrella bukanu kegini. Mba umbrella bukanu kegini. Obugo na gbali na anwu. Amule awo. Because the sister say one. Yo na sisi ma dey fair. Nikwa no go na agbo to na gbali na anwu mgbawa.
Oto gbali igwe.
You ebu ati umbrella.
Oto gbali igwe no.
Hey, Chineke.
Oh na amayo. Oto gbali ayo. Uzo ba adire. O kai na ebe na let the thunder come from sky.
What they are saying, is it true? Was I not the one that helped you?
Ugo, who did you help? Where's my money? How did you help me, Ugo?
Which money?
I gave you everything. Every time I ask I borrow money or get money from anywhere, it is you I give the money to. So how did you help me?
You gave to Johnson and all your numerous boyfriends, not me. See, I'm trying so hard to be calm so that my workers will not start insulting you. You are going to push me, I'll start talking, no? I will start talking.
You need to talk today.
Did you not use my destiny to travel abroad?
You say which destiny?
Was it not my destiny you used?
Do you have destiny? Do you have a destiny, Ugo? No, answer me. Which destiny? That I travel and go abroad, I stay under the sun, I stay outside morning, afternoon, and night just to make money? And you're here claiming all the money that I gave to you, Ugo. Give me my money, Ugo. Give me my money, Ugo.
You did not give me anything.
Hey, God. Ugo, if you don't produce that money, I will scatter this whole shop. I will scatter everywhere. You will either give me the money or you will produce everything that I asked you to do with that money.
Produce what? Scatter what? Scatter my business.
Hey.
My business. Scatter it.
Okay, no
problem. Come and scatter it. See now. Scatter it. Scatter it. No, don't go anywhere. Come and scatter it. Wicked human being. Wicked human being. God will punish you. What were you doing when we're in the village? What were you doing? Giving me small money. Small money, and meanwhile you were following Johnson and all those useless boys. Small money. I didn't even know that I was giving you my destiny without knowing. Is it not true? I went to over 10 places. 10 spiritual houses, they all mentioned your name. I went to 5 more. My friend, shut up, I'm talking. I went to 5 more pastors and they mentioned your name. They said you used my destiny to fly abroad. until I met the last person, a very powerful man of God. He assured me that God in heaven will not allow me to be put to shame. Oh, God. God, you are bigger than what they say you are. That was how I was rescued from you. He turned everything around, threw you inside prison, and I came back alive and had this shop. You want to take it, thunder fire you. Come and take it.